Curious about what is cryptocurrency? You're not alone. Cryptocurrency is a buzzword that's taken the world by storm, but it can seem complex at first. In reality, it's just a new kind of money that lives online, secured by advanced tech and free from traditional bank control. This article will demystify what is cryptocurrency, explain how it works, and show you why it's worth understanding, all in a way that's easy for beginners to grasp. The core of cryptocurrency explained. So, what is cryptocurrency exactly? Picture digital money that you can send, receive, or store without needing a bank. It's built on a technology called blockchain, which acts like a super secure public record of every transaction. Cryptography, think high-tech codes, keeps everything safe and private. Unlike dollars or euros, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Solana aren't issued by governments. They're managed by a global network of computers. Bitcoin, launched in 2009 by a mysterious figure called Satoshi Nakamoto, kicked off the crypto craze. Today, thousands of cryptocurrencies exist, each with its own twist, from Ethereum's smart contracts to Dogecoin's meme-inspired vibe. How cryptocurrency actually works. To really get what is cryptocurrency, let's dive into its mechanics. Every crypto transaction is recorded on a blockchain, a digital ledger shared across countless computers. When you send crypto to someone, the network confirms it's legit, and the transaction gets locked into the blockchain forever. No one can alter it, which makes crypto trustworthy. Instead of banks, miners, or validators, depending on the crypto, use powerful computers to verify transactions. This decentralized setup means you can send money across the globe quickly and cheaply, without middlemen. For beginners, it's like emailing money, but with extra layers of security. Why people are excited about cryptocurrency. A big part of what is cryptocurrency is its appeal as an investment and tool for change. Crypto prices can swing wildly, which draws in folks hoping to profit. Bitcoin, for example, went from pennies to tens of thousands of dollars, creating millionaires along the way. But it's not just about money. Crypto offers freedom. You control your funds, not a bank or government. Global access. Anyone with internet can use it, no matter where they live. Innovation. Blockchain powers things like decentralized apps, NFTs, and more. That said, crypto isn't risk-free. Prices can crash, and scams exist, so beginners should tread carefully and do their homework. Getting started with cryptocurrency. Now that you understand what is cryptocurrency, how do you jump in? Here's a quick roadmap for beginners. Educate yourself. Learn terms like wallet, where you store crypto, and exchange, where you buy it. Pick a wallet. Choose a software wallet like Trust Wallet or a hardware one like Ledger for extra security. Buy some crypto. Use platforms like Coinbase, Gemini, or KuCoin to swap regular money for crypto. Stay safe. Never share your wallet's private key and use strong passwords. Start with a small amount you're okay losing, and explore at your own pace. The crypto world rewards those who learn as they go. What's next for cryptocurrency? As you ponder what is cryptocurrency, you might wonder about its future. The Genius Act, introduced in February 2025 by Senator Bill Hagerty and co-sponsored by Senators Tim Scott, Cynthia Lummis, Kirsten Gillibrand, and Angela Alsobrooks, is a bipartisan bill officially named the Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for U.S. Stablecoins Act. It aims to create a clear regulatory framework for stablecoins, cryptocurrencies pegged to assets like the U.S. dollar, by setting strict rules for issuers, such as maintaining 1.1 reserves, regular audits, and compliance with anti-money laundering laws. Approved by the Senate Banking Committee in March 2025 with an 18-6 vote, it allows smaller issuers under $10 billion to operate under state oversight, while larger ones face federal regulation, boosting innovation and consumer trust. In the broader U.S. landscape, Congress is tackling crypto regulation with bills like the Clarity for Payment Stablecoins Act and the Lummis-Gillibrand Payment Stablecoin Act, while the Financial Innovation and Technology (FIT) for the 21st Century Act, passed by the House in 2024, clarifies whether cryptos are securities or commodities. President Trump's 2025 executive order also formed a crypto working group to propose federal rules and explore a national crypto stockpile, though it banned a U.S. central bank digital currency. Globally, countries are racing to regulate crypto. The EU's Markets in Crypto Assets (MiCA) regulation, fully effective in 2025, sets a standard for investor protection. Japan has strengthened anti-money laundering rules for crypto exchanges, and the UK is advancing stablecoin regulations while piloting a digital pound. This global and US push, including the Genius Act, signals crypto's growing importance, making it an exciting space for beginners to explore. Wrapping up. In short, what is cryptocurrency? It's digital money powered by blockchain, offering a secure, decentralized way to pay, invest, or innovate. From Bitcoin's rise to Ethereum's versatility, crypto is reshaping finance, and beginners can join the movement with a bit of curiosity and caution. Keep learning, stay safe, and you'll be ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Want to dive deeper? Check out trusted exchanges, follow crypto blogs, or join online communities to stay in the loop.